Hello. Welcome to our channel. These are the most beautiful cities in Nigeria 2021. Nigeria is a country blessed with diverse resources, ranging from human resources, good weather conditions, fertile soil for agriculture and natural tourist attractions. Adjudged the most population black nation, Nigeria has a lot of beautiful cities which has made it one of the most preferred nations in Africa for tourists. These cities do not only play host to beautiful tourist centers but also have good road networks as well as other infrastructural facilities. If you are looking for finest cities in Nigeria that are well developed, we enjoin you to explore any of the following urban developed and beautiful cities that we will mention on this video. If you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel. Number 12. Jos, this city in the middle belt of Nigeria. It is the administrative capital and largest city of Plateau State. The beauty of this beautiful city is best described by its romantic and temperate climate, magnificent geography, and landmarks as well as mind-blowing tourist attractions. This has made the city a destination of choice for many tourists and fun seekers within and outside Nigeria. Some of the tourist attractions in the city are Sheer Hills, Ways Rocks, Riam Rock Formation, Kara Falls, Asap Falls, Jos Wildlife Park, Jos Zoological Garden, Pandam Game Reserve, Naraguda Leather Works, Solomon Lar Amusement Park. Number 11. Calabar. Calabar is arguably the biggest tourist city in Western Africa. With its numerous tourist attractions and hospitable culture of the Calabar locals, Calabar lives up to its name. Calabar is the capital of Cross River. The city has a well-planned road network and buildings. Adjudged one of the most peaceful cities in the nation, Calabar plays host to one of the most popular street carnivals in Africa, the Calabar International Street Carnival, which is held annually. Some of the tourist attractions in the city include the National Museum, Calabar Slave Museum, Drill Rehabilitation Center, Cross River National Park, Kwa Waterfalls, Chief Akpo Basie's House, Mary Slessor's House, Statue of Mary Slessor, Tortuga Island, the Tomb of Mary Slessor. The city's delicious edikaikong soup is unarguably the most sought-after soup in the country, not only because of its great taste but because, as the name translates, edikaikong simply means vegetable soup. Number 10. Enugu, nicknamed the Coal City, Enugu is the capital of Enugu State in southeastern Nigeria. The city is popular for its cuisine, robust industries, and of course, the local palm wine. The city has an amazing road network and plays host to lots of eventful tourist attractions such as Enugu Museum, Enugu Golf Course, Milken Hills, Isiagu Tourist Complex, Owam Cave and Waterfall, Opi Lake Complex, Polo Amusement Park. It is worthy to mention that Enugu is occupied by the Igbo ethnic group, whose two important annual Igbo traditional festivals are the New Yam Festival and the Manwyu Festival. The New Yam Festival is usually held between August and October to mark the harvesting and feasting of the new yam. The Manwyu Festival takes place annually in the month of November and features various displays by masquerades. This festival is usually held at the Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium. The city also plays host to Nigeria's foremost university, University of Nigeria Nsukka. Number 9. Kano. Kano is the capital city of Kano State in northwest Nigeria. It is situated in the Sahelian geographic region, south of the Sahara. Kano is the commercial nerve center of northern Nigeria and is the second largest city in Nigeria. The city is known for several tourist attractions which include Gidan Makama Museum, Kano City Wall, Malam Aminu Kano Inte National Airport, Kano Polo Club, Filmhouse Cinema Kano, Adu Bayero Mall, Chalawa Jaroj Dam. Number 8. Port Harcourt, adjudged one of the most exciting cities to live in Nigeria. Port Harcourt is the capital city of Rivers State, an oil-rich region of the Niger Delta. Notwithstanding its industrial activities, the city boasts of a large number of tourist attractions in the country. Some of the tourist attractions to explore in the city include Port Harcourt Tourist Beach, Bonny Island, Port Harcourt Zoo, Port Harcourt City Mall, Mile 1 Street Market, Bull King Restaurant, Port Harcourt Golf Club, Rivers State Museum, Port Harcourt Pleasure Park, Isaac Burrow Park. Please do click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Number 7. Owerri is the capital of Imo State in Nigeria, set in the heart of Igbo land. It is currently referred to as one of the entertainment hubs of Nigeria because of its high density of spacious hotels, high-street casinos, production studios, and high-quality centers of relaxation. It is the home to annual beauty pageants, Miss Heartland and Miss Adonma. It plays host to tourist attractions such as National Museum Owerri, Mberi Cultural and Art Center, Ogita Lake, Nakidzu, Owerri Mall, Dan Enyim Stadium, Maria Assumpta Cathedral, Owerri Amusement Park. The presence of natural springs all over the city makes it one of the most beautiful cities in Nigeria. Number 6. Kaduna. Kaduna is the capital of Kaduna State in northwestern Nigeria, on the Kaduna River. It is a trade center and a major transportation hub for the surrounding agricultural areas, with its rail and road junction. It is one of the most industrialized cities in the northern Nigeria, and it plays host to one of the 4 old refineries in the country. The city boasts of beautiful tourist attractions such as Kaduna Museum, the Lugard Footbridge, Kajuru Castle, Kamuka National Park, Amir of Zaza Palace, the Nok Village, Matsirga Waterfall, Trapco Ranch, and Resort. Number 5. Akure. Akure is a city in southwestern Nigeria, and is the largest city and capital of Ondo State. The city is endowed with lots of relaxation centers such as DG of Akure Palace, Idanra Hills, Cave of Ashes, Igbokoda Waterfront, Igbo Olodumare, Ebomi Lake Tourist Center, Owa Museum of Antiques, Glass Hall Event Center, Film House Cinema, Akure. There are lots of hotels and bars which serve as relaxation spots for people. The city plays host to the Federal University of Technology, Akure, which is adjudged one of the best universities of technology in Nigeria. Number 4. Warri. Warri City is one of the major hubs of petroleum activities and businesses in the southern Nigeria. It is a commercial capital city of Delta State. The city is known nationwide for its unique pidgin English. The city has a lot of tourist attractions which include the Palace of the Olu of Warri, Warri Kingdom Royal Cemetery, Chief Nana's Palace, Efurun Garden Park, Red Mangrove Swamp, Abraka Turf and Country Club, Abraka River Resort Motel, Delta Shopping Mall, Warri Township Stadium. The city also plays host to the Okura Festival, which is celebrated by the Okura people of Warri, and is generally celebrated in July or August. Number 3. Oyo. Popularly known as the Land of Promise, Oyo is the capital of Akwa Ibom, in south-south Nigeria. With its well-structured road networks, first-class hotels, beautiful sights, Oyo is a place to be. Tourist sites in the city include Ibom Connection, Ibom Plaza, Ibom Tropicana Entertainment Center, National Museum of Colonial History, the Amalgamation House, Godswill Abad Akpabio International Stadium, Meridian Ibom Hotel and Golf Resort, Kilimanjaro Restaurant, Ibeno Beach. The city hosts the Ek Festival every December. Number 2. Lagos. Lagos is the most populous city in Nigeria and the African continent. Lagos is a major financial center for all of Africa and is the economic hub of Lagos State. The megacity has the 4th highest GDP in Africa and houses one of the largest and busiest seaports on the continent. It is one of the fastest growing cities in the world. The city plays host to lots of eventful standard hotels and tourist attractions which serve as relaxation centers. Some of the tourist sites in the city include Tafawa Balewa Square, Teslim Balogun Stadium, 3rd Mainland Bridge, Nigerian National Museum, Lekki Conservation Center, New African Shrine, Ihalobia Recreation Park and Gardens, Freedom Park, National Arts Theatre, La Campagne Tropicana Beach Resort, High Impact Planet, Silverbird Galleria, Kalakuta Republic Museum, Eco Hotels and Suites. Before we show the number 1 city on our list, please do click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Number 1. Abuja. Unarguably one of the most organized and well-developed cities in Nigeria, Abuja is the capital of the Federal Capital Territory. There are many recreational centers, 5-star hotels, and world-class shopping malls all over the city. Tourist attractions in the city include the Aso Rock, National Presidential Villa, National Assembly Complex, Zuma Rock, Supreme Court Complex, National Stadium. It is expected to be one of the world's most beautiful cities in the nearest future. Which city did you think is the most beautiful city in Nigeria? Leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching.